So, I'll just give you, there you go. You got it? You sure? Okay. You get it? I should have gotten that. Oh, you're making a mess. Well, see, it's all down there now. Why don't we see if we can you get it out of there? About half of it goes on the ground. Is there more? Yep. There you go. Now, this is really, you've really only visited me like 3 times, so, I mean, you really like the fact that you're so comfortable with me hanging around and feeding you like this. And get it? Okay, here, let's see if I can. See if I can get this. Okay, yeah, you made a total mess of that. Yep, that's it. Ah, I'm gonna have to mop out here afterwards. Okay, a bit more. Okay, let's see if we can get